welcome. So let's start with our next set of questions for your June 2025 examination. Now here the question talked about post-Vedic education in India. Now post-Vedic education was not only for education but it was for life, and in this education, self-study was one of the most important aspects, where Upanishads were known as Parvidya. Now, Parvidya refers to higher understanding or spiritual attainment, and that can be obtained through the knowledge of Upanishad. And Upanishads are considered above all kinds of material knowledge. That is again correct. Now, the student who studies three of the Ved are known as Trivedi, four Ved are known as Chaturvedi and not Vedya. So Vedya refers to a physician under the IKS system. So D is incorrect. The remaining options are correct here. The next is the kind of approach and the term related to it. So an example of multi-sensory approach for learning. So multi-sensory, that means audio, visual, all kind of effect, and that comes true with the help of YouTube. So that's the correct match here. The next is the four quadrants of learning. Now these have been identified under the MOOC. We have covered a separate lecture on MOOC at Doorstep, so you can refer that. Then is the Academic Credit Bank. Now Academic Credit Bank has been highlighted under the new education policy. The idea was to help students accumulate and transfer the academic credits. And finally, the example of software package which has been given. So it has been correctly mentioned as so the correct answer is SPSS, that is a statistical package for social sciences, and this is a specific software designed for use of statistics in social sciences. So those are the correct options and matches. The next is the philosophical approach that talks about environmental ethics, focuses on anthropocentrism. So anthropocentrism talks about human being as the center of the value system. Then we have ecocentrism that talks about ecology or the ecosystems, which is the living as well as the non-living, as the center of the environmental ethics and shows an interconnectedness with the environment. Biocentrism talks about the morals which are extended to living organisms. However, egocentrism is incorrect because it focuses on a very self-centered perspective. So these three are the correct matches. The next is you have to match the terms with what they are, right? So Filmfare is a magazine, it's also an award, and it is related to the cinema, right? So of the given choices, we can say magazine would be the nearest choice. Dainik Jagran is a newspaper. So Dainik Bhaskar, Dainik Jagran, Nav Jagran, Rajasthan Patrika are some of the newspapers. God of a Small Thing is one of the major books by Rudhanti Ray, and Chacha Chaudhary is a comics for children. So those are the correct matches here. The next is the right instructional technology for understanding level of teaching. Now, instructional technology is a method which enhances the training or the teaching purpose or the learning purpose, right? So instructional technology at the level of understanding would help when you are making students aware of the different paths, and their responses to each path can be identified and adjusted. So this is what is called as branching. So the method which promotes engagement and decision making for an individual is what is called as the instructional technology for understanding, and branching would be the right option in this level because you are trying to have a clear conception with it and also remove any misconceptional understandings and achieve the goal in a better direction. The next is which of the articles in Indian Constitution relate to right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Now Article 30 under Indian Constitution talks about the minorities and establishment of those minorities. So two of the ways under which this could be given is the religious minorities and the linguistic minorities, and benefiting these religious and linguistics minorities have been given under Article 31. so 30 article 30, and I'm not saying 1, so it's not 31, so article 30 clause 1, right? That's how you can understand it. And it clearly says that minorities are not discriminated against when the thing comes to receiving the government aids and recognition from these institutions. The next is the problems and the types of researches what could be applied. So when we are talking about the development of theory of relativity, it's a very basic research in physics, right? So it's a part of a basic research. Comparing teaching methods on the student achievement in science. Now this is where I'm applying the methods onto the achievement score, and therefore it's part of an applied research. Sorry, it's part of an applied research. So B is part of an applied research. A study of reason for the lack of commitment, it's an action research. Now this is actually where I'm trying to address and improve the workplace practice ethos, and therefore it's an action approach. And then a study of educational thought from speech of social reformer. This is what is called as a qualitative research, because the goal is to inquire. The goal is simply to help build the theory, solve the problems, and then put them into practice. So those are the correct matches here. I hope this was clear. So we have already covered a significant number of papers for your paper 1 practice. Of course, we were able to cover only few of the questions here. If you are looking for complete practice questions for more than 6,000 questions across the previous years, you would find the complete options available at Doorstep Tutor. So those are in the form of lectures, notes, and questions. So thanks for joining. Have a great day.